Hi everyone, now we are going to learn about the MathType software. So this will be morely helpful for typing mathematical equations in your research article, book chapters, thesis, and if you are an academic, if you are a faculty working in an institute, if you are taking a problematic subjects, so for typing the question papers, for answer keys, so you can morely for typing equations, this MathType software will be more helpful. This is the MathType website, so you can find here the MathType 7 for desktop option is there. You can use in Word, PowerPoint, Pages, Keynote, Numbers, and the download for Windows option is there, as well as the download for Mac option is also there. Then if you want to activate, you can use this option, and you can have a free trial. And if you want to go for an older version like MathType 6, you can click over there. And for community subscription and free trial for university, college, and school. And if you have any queries, you can contact sales@virus.com, support@virus.com, and info@virus.com. And there is a contact form too, and they have 2 offices in worldwide, one in Spain and one in US. In the description, the Google Drive link were provided, so you can click the link and you can download the MathType software. After downloading the MathType software, you have to install it, and they will be providing a free trial. You can use it, and if you think this will be helpful for your research purpose in future, then you can buy it. And for buying the software, if you need any help, you can contact us in mail, manuscriptpedia@gmail.com. So we will be helping you. And after the installation, when you open your Word file, you can see the plugin name MathType in the top. So using this also, you can type some equations and you can go through. At the same time, the first option is there, Inline. When you click the Inline option, so this is the MathType desktop. So here all the options were there. So the relational symbols, spaces and ellipses, and operator symbols, arrow symbols, logical symbols, set theory symbols, and other miscellaneous symbols, Greek characters, uppercase, and like open bracket, close brackets, fraction and radical templates, and subscript and superscripts, summation, integral templates, underbar and overbar, and labeled arrow templates, products and set theory templates, matrix, box templates, like other expressions, pi, theta, and all various expressions were there. And here you can find algebra, derivatives, and statistics, matrices, sets, some trigonometry and geometry, and other tab 8, tab 9. You can have your own shortcuts, equations over there. So now here one thing we'll see mainly is for opening the tool. Here we went to the inline option, so we can have a shortcut. So if you have that shortcut, easily you can open the MathType, as well as you can close the MathType with the shortcut even. So that will be more helpful. So that we'll learn now. Just we'll close this. So go to the file option, go to the option, click customize ribbon, and again click customize option, click macros, and here you will be finding empty command, insert line option will be there. Empty command, insert inline option. And when you click that, here you can find, earlier it was alt plus control plus Q, and this is the new key which I have assigned. So if you want to have another short key, here why control E is mentioned is E, which is like an equation. So control plus E, if you are typing, so automatically the equations, the MathType software like Math desktop will be available in that line. And if you want to any shortcuts, if in your if you want to create any shortcuts like control plus B or control plus C something, you can use it, or you can use control plus E over there and just click assign. So here earlier I have typed control plus E and it is assigned, so you have to click assign. Then now when I click control plus E, so I can find the desktop, and here one thing I have to see how I have with the by using the shortcut I'm able to open this desktop. So at the same time you need to close, right? So click preference, customize keyboard, menu command, file menu, and close and return. So here I have used control plus E earlier. Just type control plus E and click assign and close. Now just I'm typing sign and clicking control plus E, so automatically it will disappear. So this you have to use so that while you are typing a lot of equations, so easier it will be helpful. So now in the desktop, what all the options were there, and like superscript, subscript, some of the shortcut keys we will be learning now. So there are some shortcuts like control plus H for subscripts, so control plus L for below, and so if you can do it manually without shortcuts even. Sorry, control plus H is for superscript, and control plus L is for subscripts. Yeah, and for superscripts and subscript. And here you can see in the bottom, in the desktop bottom, you can find whatever I'm clicking, you can find. So what that symbol mentioned, sine theta. And then another one option will be it will be more helpful for many researchers. For example, yeah, see sine, you'll have some other equations like plus. So consider this may be the equation which you are having in your system. So every time this kind of similar kind of equations maybe you'll be getting twice or thrice in your research article. So that what you can do is just select it, and before select, click tab 8. Here you can find more spaces. Just select it, just drag and paste the equations over there, so that next time when you are typing, you don't want to type from the first and search this for EAC, you type here and there. You don't want to do that. Just I will erase it now. When I click there once, all these together it will be appear in the screen. And again, if I am clicking Control E, that will be appear over in the your manuscript. When you double click, the same, the MathType desktop will be open. Any correction you want, you can click and you can do it. So all the options were there. Just give it, even in just will the matrix. Here you can give how much row you want and how much column you want. So here no bracket is there, so just click escape and click the open and close brackets. Yeah. So as we are using it again and again, you can this will be more user friendly for you. You can just copy and paste. So this is how it will be more user friendly for typing the equations for your research article, your PhD thesis, as well as for writing the book chapters, for preparing answer keys, question papers, if you are taking a problematic subjects in your colleges. So if you want to do some changes in style like font size and other thing, just click text and Control E. So this will be now available in a text file, text form other than mathematical equations. So color, line spacing, all these details you can provide. And if you want to zoom or zoom out, edit options, then file for printing the equations. And in help, some table of contents, some tutorials were available. Click the define option, you can find lot of options over there. And here you can find the text. So what is the font is there, Times New Roman. So sometime in the articles the font size may vary, so you can click here and you can change it. Like when you're typing some equations, if you want to bold or italic, whatever you want, by using this option simple as well as in advanced, you can use it. Like finally click apply before after doing the changes.